Hey guys, let's discuss this problem. This problem says how many liters of water flow out of a pipe having an area of cross section of 5 centimeters square in 1 minute if the rate of flow of water is 30 centimeter per second. So how you are going to calculate this? Let me tell you. In this problem, they are saying that a water pipe whose cross section is 5 centimeters square, water is flowing through this cross section with the rate of 30 centimeter per second. So using the area and this rate, you will calculate the rate of water in liter is flowing per second. So let's calculate volume of water flowing through the pipe per second. You have the cross section, which is the area, and you have the rate also, rate of flowing of water. This will give you the volume per second. You have the area, that area is 5 centimeter square and this rate is 30 centimeter per second. So this volume is 150 centimeter cube per second. So here you know that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. So you can write here, this will be equal to 10 to the power minus 3 liter. Why? Because 1 ml is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 liter. So that's why 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 liter. So what you'll do, let's multiply 150 with 10 to the power minus 3 and divide it by second. So this will give you 0.15 liter per second. So this much volume is flowing through the pipe. Now you need to calculate how much liter has been flowed out of the pipe in 1 minute. So in 1 minute will be this volume, which is 0.15 liter, and multiply this with 60 seconds. Why 60 seconds? Because here the unit of volume is liter per second. That's why I have converted this minute unit into second unit. In 1 minute there is 60 seconds. So that's why now multiply this with 60. This will give you 1.5 into 6. And this answer will be 9. So this is this much water has been flowed out of a pipe, 9 liter in 1 minute. I really hope there should be no doubt. I'll be taking more problems in the coming video lecture. Thank you.